Everybody is talking about AI is gonna taking over the world. AI is doing this. AI will do this, do this. Do you actually know AI can kill your job or not? If you don't know, the simple answer is yes, it can. But it is not that simple. If you can learn how to use AI, you will still be valuable in the future. And for AI, you must need to learn Python. That's the most important thing. If you want to know basics about AI, you can go. But if you want to know deeply AI, because AI is the future, it's inevitable. If you want to know, you need must a language command. And in AI, the best language is Python because it's help you to library pandas, NumPy, and also different type of things. Do you know that it's best? So that's why you can choose a very important course. This is Udemy. It's called 100 Days of Code by Angela Yu. I am taking this course. I am still learning, and I'm talking about I did so many previous course before AI. This is, but you cannot learn a language by tutorial. Do you think you can learn English or Chinese by if you someone teaches you some words? You can't. In order to learn a language, you need to practice it. You need to apply it in real life, right? You're talking with people like I am talking in English. It's a conversation. That's the way we learn language. So in computer language, you need to practice. And how you can practice? By doing small projects. 100 days of code, it's not a special thing that it will give you a magical thing. But the most important thing is you will learn how to do project. For example, if you learn, you know, everyone see in this OTP, you know, there's a 6-digit random number or 4 digit, how it's come. You can learn how to generate random number, then you will apply it by generating random OTP. That's how you will learn a language, by practicing it. I learned so many days how to randomly generate number, but when I finally did the OTP challenge for myself, I will never forget the code, how I done it. You know, that's the most important thing. So in order to learn, you can definitely check it out the course. I'm still purchasing it. I can show it to you. I'll give a screenshot or something in the link description. And you, if you want to see my code, I will give it in the link description also. But I am specially talking to you if you want to get a good career in the future, because AI will be coming. For example, someone doing manufacturing job, someone doing coding, someone doing a creative job, but everybody has a phone, right? Everybody use their phone to do their work, right? That's the same thing. In future, everybody will do different types of things, but everybody will use AI to do their work in better way. And if you miss it out, then in future you will not gonna come and cry, you know. And everyone is, they get best, why they get so many. If you not update yourself, you will be fall behind. You know, in a race everybody is running. If you stop running, somebody will come for some second and you will go behind. That's why you need to learn. And in order to learn, you must need to learn Python. Python is the very important thing if you want to know how to work with data, how to know AI, NLP, natural language processing, LLM, large language model. It's the basic thing is Python. You should learn. I'm recommending you. Is today is, I don't know. Today I think is 26 September. Yeah, I'm recording this video. I'm I'm still talking to. After 10 years, I will make another video, and we'll see is AI gonna take the world or not. It's very important. Please do this. And if you want to support me, like me, I am starting this YouTube channel. to or and Facebook, I will post this. If you want to support someone like me who started this in the small village, just subscribe. Your subscribe matters to me. Thank you.